Okay, it's time to start building and creating. So this is one measure. This is your score. This is a musical score, and all you have right now is one measure. This is in 4/4 time. The tempo is at 80. You can change this by double clicking on it. Whoops. Or clicking on it once, sorry. To make it faster or slower, you either raise the number higher by using these arrows, or you can just change it and make it higher or lower. I'm going to leave it at 80. Okay. The lower the number, the slower. The higher the number, the faster. All right. Make sure you're in the notes in your menu. These are just the heads. You don't want to use these three right here. You want to start where you have your whole note on down to your 64th note. Let's just work with these, and let's keep it simple. Use quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes. These are the notes that we worked with mostly during percussion. So just use these three notes and or their rest components. All right. So now I have the quarter note highlighted. I'm going to put a quarter note here. Now, what you need to understand is in the drum set, these lines and spaces represent different sounds of a drum set. I'm going to put one here. That is the bass drum. I'm going to put one here. That is like a tom. I'm going to put one here. That is your snare. I go down here. That is your hi-hat or your cymbal. Okay. Now notice that when I filled in the last beat of this measure, it automatically added another measure of 4 beats, which I could continue to put notes in, or I can go back. Now what I'm doing now with my left and right arrow keys on my keyboard is I'm scrolling through the beats. Okay. And as you scroll through the beats, you can stop on one and make changes. So I'm going to scroll back here. Now, once I get to where I want to go, I'm going to make changes. I'm going to change this to eighth notes. So I'm going to click on it. So it changed it to 1/8 note. And of course, an eighth note is half of a beat. So it made the other half of the beat a rest. You can leave it like that if you'd like, or place your mouse somewhere. Let me move that over. Somewhere, and fill that in. The highlight automatically jumps over to the next beat every time you finished with fulfilling the beat requirement for the previous beat. Beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. Beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. All right, I'm going to stop here. And I want you, just with what I have shown you here, I want you to go ahead and explore, okay, and create something. And when you finish creating it, you go right up here and then press play. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the highlight is all the way at the beginning. And then you press play. Okay? Now it's your turn. Go in and explore, populate some of these lines, and see what you can come up with.